Simple crystals on a string. You know what a saturated solution is. When we go on adding a solute to a solvent, a particular stage will be reached when the solvent can no longer dissolve any more solute. This kind of solution is called a saturated solution. Let us learn to make a saturated solution and use it to form crystals. Materials required are sugar, distilled water, heat-resistant glass or 400 milliliters beaker, stirring rod, pan, heat source, that is stove or lab burner, pencil, string, a paper clip. Procedure. Let us first make a saturated solution. Start with approximately 250 milliliters of distilled water in a pan. Bring it to a slow boil and add a teaspoon or 2 of sugar. When this dissolves, add more. Keep adding and stirring chemicals until no more will dissolve. This is a saturated solution. Pour this solution into a clean heat-resistant glass or beaker. Suspend a string into the glass from a pencil laid across the top of the glass. You can tie a paper clip to the lower end of the string so it hangs straight down. Wrap the entire glass or pencil or string apparatus in a towel so it is covered and so it cools slowly. It is important to keep the experiment covered to prevent dust and other unwanted material from disturbing crystal growth. Observe the formation of crystals on the string every day. Left undisturbed, the crystal should grow larger every day until the solution runs dry. Why it happens? Making a saturated solution requires heating and mixing until no more sugar can be dissolved in the water. The dissolution of high amounts of sugar is because of the higher temperature. As the solution cools, crystallization begins on the rough surface of the string. Crystals continue to form as the cooling solution gives up more dissolved sugar into the growing crystal mass. Different chemical solutions form different crystal shapes.